Good morning. Today we're going to make dirt cake. So you will find in your packets, you will find chocolate pudding, a packet of Oreos, and some gummy worms. And for making the dirt cake, we're going to start by putting the pudding, a little bit of pudding in. We're going to take the Oreos and crumble them up and put them in. And then we're going to stir. You can make them smaller than I. Perhaps your mom and dad have a better way of making the Oreos more fine. Put a little bit more. The last thing you want to put in there, you want to top it off with another Oreo or two. This you're just going to leave on top for the soil. Yum. Okay. That, and now we're going to present our worms to the soil because soil makes a very good home for our worms. And there you have it. You have your own dirt cake.